Namaste students, I welcome you in our next part number 14 of chapter number 1, solid state of class 12th. Students, today we will discuss about our next defect that is known as impurity defect. In the previous video, we have studied about the stoichiometric defect and non-stoichiometric defect. Now, move forward into our impurity defect. What is impurity defect? The defect which arises when the foreign atoms are present at the lattice site in place of host atom or at the vacant interstitial site. That defect is known as impurity defect. Students, जब foreign atom किसी crystalline solid में host atom की place occupy करे या vacant interstitial space को occupy करे, voids को occupy करे, then the defect arises, that is known as impurity defect. The addition of impurities in the crystalline solid changes the property of that solid. If we add the impurities in the crystalline solid, it changes their property. This term is known as doping. And another term is used in this defect, that is known as doping. That means the addition of impurities, foreign impurities in the crystalline solid to change their property, that is known as doping. Now, what is impurity defect? We have discussed. Then move to our types of impurity defect. Students, impurity defect occurs in the ionic solids as well as in the covalent solids. If the impurities are introduced in the ionic solid, then it is called as impurity defect in ionic solids. Another one is covalent solids. If the impurity is introduced in the ionic solid, then that impurity defect known as impurity defect of ionic solid. If the impurities are introduced in the covalent solids, then known as impurities introduced in the covalent solid, impurity defect वो कहलाएगा. Now, starting from one by one, what the impurities introduced in the ionic solid. Students, as the name suggests, ionic solids, the impurities are adding in the form of ions. The impurities, foreign impurities added in the ionic solid in the form of ions, and these impurities having the different valence state than the normal host atoms. जो हमारे crystalline solid के host atoms होंगे, उनसे आने वाली foreign impurities की जो oxidation state है, valence state है, वो different होगी. Then the defect arises in the ionic solids. Let's see, I have drawn a crystal lattice of NaCl. I have drawn a NaCl diagram. In this, if molten NaCl, मान लीजिए एक molten NaCl का crystal है, if molten NaCl containing some little amount of SrCl, हमने यहाँ क्या किया, हमने molten NaCl के अंदर NaCl का क्रिस्टल है, उसमें हमने some amount SrCl2 का ऐड किया. Here NaCl having Na atoms having +1 charge and Sr atom having +2 charge. That means the impurity adding in the NaCl crystal having different oxidation state, different valence state, because Sr having +2 oxidation state and NaCl crystal having ions of Na and Cl +1 and -1. अब क्या होगा, इस NaCl क्रिस्टल में हम SrCl2 जो है इसका Sr+2 आयन इसके अंदर ऐड कराएंगे. ऐड होगा तो ये फॉरेन इंप्योरिटी लेके आ रहा है, क्योंकि NaCl के क्रिस्टल में Na+ आयन है, वो सिंगल वन चार्ज रख रहा है. Sr+2 on adding in this NaCl crystal having +2 चार्ज, तो क्या करेगा, वो इसके चार्ज को चेंज कर रहा है. तो क्या शो करेगा, इट शो डिफेक्ट. Like see, here Na plus ion present, here Cl minus ion, here Na plus ion, then Cl minus ion, again Cl minus ion, here Na plus ion, then Cl minus ion, then Na plus, then Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus and Cl minus. Students, when Sr plus 2 occupying any पोजीशन ऑफ Na प्लस आयन, मान लीजिए Sr प्लस 2 ने ये वाली पोजीशन Na प्लस आयन की ऑक्यूपाई की इस क्रिस्टल के अंदर ऑन एडिंग Sr Cl2 in little amount in the molten NaCl. Here we write Sr plus 2, then Sr having plus 2 oxidation state but all Na having plus 1 oxidation state. To maintain electrical neutrality in the crystal lattice, another Na plus ion also removed from the crystal lattice. If another Na plus ion removed from the crystal lattice, then the electrically neutral crystalline solid are formed because Sr having plus 2 charge, and here we will remove Na plus ion by 1 Sr plus 2 ion. Then to maintain electrical neutrality, another Na plus ion also removed. That means for every Sr plus 2 ions, 2 Na plus ions removed from the crystal lattice, and the defect arises that is known as impurity defect in ionic solids. Okay students, another example also see that if CdCl2 is added in the crystal of AgCl, we have drawn the crystal of AgCl and introduced the Cd2 plus ion in the AgCl crystal lattice. Then for every Cd2 plus ion, 2 Ag plus ions are removed from the crystal lattice and create the impurity defect. Okay students. Second one is introducing impurities in the covalent solids. Students, in the case of covalent solids such as silicon and germanium of group 14 elements having 4 valence electrons. कौन से group के elements? Group 14 elements having 4 valence electrons in their outermost shell. Examples like silicon, germanium, etc. These are the elements of group 14 element having 4 valence electrons. In these elements, we have to introduce the impurities of group 15 elements or the impurities of group 13 elements. That means it may having less than 4 valence electrons or more than 4 valence electrons, then it will generate an impurity defect in the covalent solid. Like या तो हम इसके अंदर ग्रुप 13 के एलिमेंट्स एंटर करवाएं, डोप करवाएं, या ग्रुप 14 में हम ग्रुप 15 के एलिमेंट्स को डोप कराएं, तो जो हमारे impurity defect क्रिएट होगा इन द कोवेलेंट सॉलिड्स, उसी को क्या कहते हैं हम? Impurity defect in covalent solids. Students, you know that in the group 13 elements like boron, aluminium, etc., they having 3 valence electrons. And the group 15 elements having 5 valence electrons in their outermost shell. The group 15 elements are like phosphorus, arsenic, etc. These are the elements having 5 valence electron in their outermost shell, and the group 13 elements having 3 valence electron in their outermost shell. These elements of group 13 are doped in the group 14 elements and occupy the lattice position. Also similarly, the group 15 elements having 5 valence electron, these are also doped in the group 14 elements. Then it will occupy 4 electrons and 1 electron remaining free. So it will create a impurity in the covalent solids. Now we will discuss in detail. Now starting from डोपिंग या एडिशन ऑफ इम्प्योरिटी भी कह सकते हैं हम इसे, डोपिंग ऑफ ग्रुप 13 एलिमेंट्स इन ग्रुप 14 एलिमेंट्स, डोपिंग ऑफ ग्रुप 13 एलिमेंट्स इन ग्रुप 14 एलिमेंट्स. We can draw a crystal lattice of group 14 elements. Example like silicon. हम सिलिकॉन का यहाँ एक क्रिस्टल लेटिस फॉर्म करते हैं. These silicon atoms having 4 valence electrons. ये silicon atom having 4 valence electrons and it is covalently bonded with the neighboring silicon atoms having also 4 valence electrons and make a crystal lattice, crystalline solid, and make a crystalline solid. As like students you see here, the silicon atom having 4 valence electron. This is the another valence electron of another silicon atom. These are mutual sharing with, then form a covalent bond between them. And on doping the group 13 elements in group 14 elements, like if we dot here the boron atom, if we dot here the boron atom in the silicon crystal, you know that boron atom having 3 valence electrons, boron atom having 3 valence electrons in the outermost shell. If we dot in this crystal lattice here, this lattice site occupied by boron, then it will contain 3 valence electrons. First valence electron of boron, second valence electron of boron, third valence electron of boron, but this position is vacant because the fourth electron of the silicon position not occupied by the boron atom because they have only 3 valence electron. स्टूडेंट्स इसमें हमने क्या किया, सिलिकॉन एटम के अंदर हमने बोरोन एटम जो कि ग्रुप 13 एलिमेंट का था उसको डोप किया. जब उसको हमने इम्प्योरिटी के रूप में ऐड किया तो वो सिलिकॉन एटम को यहाँ से रिप्लेस करता है, लेकिन ये अपने 3 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन ही लेके आता है क्योंकि इसके पास है कितने 3 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन से. वो 3 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन नियरेस्ट एंड नेबरिंग सिलिकॉन एटम से कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड का फॉर्मेशन करेंगे. बट दिस एटम जहां हमारा सिलिकॉन एटम प्रेजेंट था वो पोजीशन क्या रहेगी, वैकेंट रहेगी और यहाँ क्या क्रिएट हो जाएगा, यहाँ एक होल क्रिएट हो जाएगा. हियर ए होल विल बी क्रिएटेड, दिस होल हैविंग द पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सो दिस डोपिंग ऑफ ग्रुप 13 एलिमेंट्स इन द ग्रुप 14 एलिमेंट्स आल्सो नोन एज p टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर. इसीलिए इसे हम क्या कहते हैं, p टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर भी कहते हैं. हियर p मींस पॉजिटिव, here P means positive type of semiconductor. Now the opposite case are followed in the group 15 elements which are doped in the group 14 elements. Now see that if we dope the group 15 elements in the, if we dope the group 15 elements in group 14 elements. एग्जाम्पल हम लेते हैं ग्रुप 15 एलिमेंट्स का. जो एग्जाम्पल हमने लिया वो है हमारे पास फॉस्फोरस हो सकता है, आर्सेनिक हो सकता है. दे हैव 5 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. इसके पास वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हैं, 5. एंड विच आर डोप्ड इन द ग्रुप 14 एलिमेंट्स. ग्रुप 14 एलिमेंट्स का हमने सेम क्रिस्टल बनाए, वही सिलिकॉन का क्रिस्टल. दिस सिलिकॉन क्रिस्टल हैविंग 4 valence electron of particular atom and this particular silicon covalently bonded with the neighboring silicon atoms, neighboring silicon atoms like this. You see here students, every silicon atom are mutually shared with the neighboring silicon atom with the valence electron and form a covalent bond. But now we dope the group 15 element in the group 14 element crystal lattice. Example, we have take arsenic. You know that arsenic having 5 valence electron, and see if arsenic occupy this position. If arsenic occupy this position and the arsenic having 5 valence electron, one electron are shared with this neighboring atom, one another electron are sharing with this neighboring atom, one electron are sharing with this neighboring atom, one is also shared with the nearest silicon atom. But after sharing these 4 electrons, one electron also free of arsenic. This is the free electron which are not participate in the bonding. So this free electron create the electrical conductivity in the crystal lattice. This free electron creates the electrical conductivity in the crystal lattice. Due to the negative sign of the electron, it is also known as n-type semiconductor. It is also known as n-type semiconductor. That means negative type of semiconductor elements show this doping impurity defect. I think you have clear that the doping of group 13 elements in the group 14 elements and the doping of group 15 elements in the group 14 elements. Students, this is a very important part of the defects. So keep in your mind and learn it. Thank you, students.